A building described with living, sleeping, cooking, and sanitation facilities qualifies as a dwelling unit under the National Electrical Code, or NEC. NEC Article 100 defines a dwelling unit as a single unit providing complete, independent living facilities for one or more persons, including permanent provisions for living, sleeping, cooking, and sanitation. NEC Article 90.2 B1 clarifies the scope of the code by stating that installations covered by this code include dwelling units. The practice of tapping off a required small appliance circuit to provide power for lighting in a bathroom is a violation of NEC 210.52 B1 through 3. This section of the code pertains to receptacle outlets in the kitchen, pantry, breakfast room, dining room, or similar area of dwelling units. NEC 210.52 B1 states that 2 or more 20 amp small appliance branch circuit shall supply all receptacle outlets covered by 210.52 B1. NEC 210.52 B2 outlines that no other outlet shall be supplied in the small appliance circuits. NEC 210.52 B3 outlines that receptacle outlets installed solely for the support and mounting of a clock radio shall not be considered as one of the receptacle outlets provided for in 210.52 B1. In summary, those small appliance circuits are dedicated solely to small appliances, excluding lighting or other loads. Backup for this information can be found in NEC Article 100, which defines a dwelling unit, NEC Article 90.2 B1, which discusses the application of the NEC code to dwelling units, and NEC 210.52 B1 through 3, which prohibits the use of small appliance circuits for lighting.